Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can add numbers to various texts. Let's take a look at the text numbering feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility to display the text modification menu, and then select the numbering option. Select the text and press Enter. Enter 300 and press Enter to specify the start number. Press Enter to set the increment value and digits to their default value, which is 1. For draw order, there are 3 options. Let's set it from top to bottom. Press Y on the keyboard, and then Enter. The attach location will be set to back. Numbers have been added sequentially starting from 300. It's convenient to use when adding numbers to multiple texts. We have used the utility feature of CADian CAD to add numbers to text. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.